Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Today I will continue with my AIS160 lecture series. Today I will cover chapter 4 part 1 communication and network with 4 subtopics in the internet, websites, media and etiquette. Okay, so by the end of this lecture you will able to explain the evolution of the internet, describe various broadband internet connection, the purpose of an IP address, features of browsers, how to compose effective search text, benefit and risk of using online social network, uses of various types of website, explain the web using users graphics, animation, audio, video and virtual reality, and also the rules of etiquette. Okay. What is internet? Internet is a worldwide collection of network that connects millions of business, government agencies, educational institutions, and individuals. It evolved starting in September 1969 with the name Arpanet, okay, which had two main goals, which allow scientists at different physical locations to share information and work together, and it will all the computer will function if part of the network were disabled or destroyed by a disaster. Arpanet was developed in Pentagon in America, okay, United States of America. Okay, and in 1984, Arpanet has become has more than 1,000 individual computers linked as hosts in 1984. But internet, as for today's, it has more than millions of internet. Okay, there are millions of internet around the world, which is connected to the network. Okay, how to connect to the internet? You can connect to the internet through wireless or wired. Okay, with wired connection, a computer or device physically attaches via a cable or wire to a communications device. Without wire or wireless modem, computers without a communication device can use a wireless modem or other communication device that enables wireless connectivity, as long your computer or devices have a modem. Okay. There are three technology of wired broadband and three technology for four technologies for wireless broadband. For wired broadband, we have cable internet service, DSL or digital subscriber line, and fiber to the premises, FTTP. Cable internet service, high-speed access through the cable television network via cable modem, while DSL is connection through the telephone network via a DSL modem. Okay, in Malaysia we use both, okay, but mainly on kalau guna Unify, you are connecting using DSL modem. Okay, fiber to the premises uses fiber optic cable to provide high speed internet access via a modem. Okay, for DSL, sometimes it's also connected to fiber optic cable. Okay. Okay, for wireless we have Wi-Fi or wireless fidelity, uses radio signal to provide high-speed internet connection to computers and devices with built-in Wi-Fi capability. Mesti ada Wi-Fi card or a communication device that enables Wi-Fi connectivity, such as your handphone, your tablet, and so on. Even your laptop, which has a Wi-Fi connectivity. Okay, mobile broadband offers high-speed internet connection over this is cellular radio network to computers and devices with built-in compatible technology. Okay, we have 3G, 4G. Actually, it starts with 2G. G stand for generation. Second generation, third generation, fourth generation. Now we are in fifth generation. Okay, or a wireless modem or other communications device. Okay, Fixed wireless provide high-speed internet connection using a dish-shaped antenna on a building, such as a house or business, to communicate with a tower location via radio signal. Okay. Satellite internet service provide high-speed internet connection via satellite to a satellite dish that communicates with a satellite modem. Normally, to transfer or to transmit the signal, both must be in a straight line. Contohnya macam kata from tower to tower kan. Kalau awak tengok dekat highway ada tower. Ada banyak tower lah. Dalam 2-3 km ada tower. Okey, yang tu dia guna tower lah. It must transmit, sebab tu tower tu tinggi, dia nak transmit signal to other tower. Dia tak boleh ada any obstruction in between. Okay. Okay, connecting to the internet, we have hotspot and tethering. Hotspot is a wireless network that provides internet connections to mobile computers and devices. We have stationary hotspot and mobile hotspot. Macam handphone awak tu, mobile hotspot lah. Stationary hotspot ni dia static, macam dekat kalau pergi McDonald ada hotspot kan. Yang tu stationary lah. For mobile hotspot ni, it is mobile lah. Tethering transform a smartphone or internet-capable tablet into a portable communication device that shares its access with other computers and devices wirelessly. Yang ni kita biasa guna, kita guna turn on hotspot dalam apa kita punya handphone dan orang lain boleh gunakan. Yang tu dipanggil tethering. Okay, most of the jargon here I will explain. It is quite difficult for you to get it in the first time, but you will get used to it. Okay, an internet service provider or ISP. ISP stand for Internet Service Provider. Is a business that provide individuals and organisation access to the internet free or for a fee. Okay, sama ada berbayar ataupun secara percuma lah. Okay, a mobile service provider, sometimes called a wireless data provider, is an ISP that offers wireless internet access to computer and mobile devices with the necessary built-in wireless capabilities such as a Wi-Fi. Okay, contoh mobile service provider ni macam Celcom, Maxis ya. Internet service provider ni kalau macam di Malaysia ni kita ada Telecom lah. Okay, kita ada apa dipanggil Unify. Okay. Wireless modem or other communication devices that enable wireless connectivity. Okay, it is measured through bandwidth. Okay, a measure of capability of network to send and receive data in terms of megabyte or gigabyte. Okay, this is how the data travels through the internet. Okay, it must have sending devices, modem, receiving devices, and also the transmission media. Okay, for example, you send a request to the internet. For example, you enter the web address of a web page you want to visit in the address bar of your browser. Okay, kita type to www.google.com, dan kita klik enter. Dia akan hantar kepada modem. This is your modem. Your modem will convert digital signal of your computer into analog signal. Analog signal dia akan transmit through the transmission media lah. Kalau macam ni wire lah. Okay, so dia akan transfer your request digital signal travel through cable television line to a central cable system which is shared up to 500 homes in a neighborhood. Then you send to the central cable, then go to the ISP routes, then sampai ke server. Okay, dan awak akan dapatlah balik maklumat tadi. But it is very fast lah. Laju lah saya cerita ni, tahan kan. Actually the transmission is very at a very fast, yeah, very fast. Okay, IP address is a sequence of a number that uniquely identify the location of each computer or device connected to the internet or any other network. In other words, Setiap device yang any device that is connected to the internet, dia ada IP address. Maksudnya kita boleh tahu awak di mana. Okey, itu antara mungkin kelebihan ataupun kelemahan, bergantung kepada awak lah. Okay, we can know your location with the IP address. The internet uses two IP address. It have IPv4 and IPv6. Masa dulu saya mengajar dulu ada IPv4 je, sekarang dah ada IPv6. IP ni internet protocol . IP is internet protocol. Lengthy IP addresses can be difficult to remember. The internet support domain names. Okay, IP ni dalam bentuk number. Jadi kalau nak hafal susah lah ya. So kita lebih suka gunakan domain names. Domain names ni nama lah, www.google.com. Yang tu domain name . A domain name is a text-based name that corresponds to the IP address of a server. A DNS server ataupun domain name system server translate the domain name into its associated IP address. Maksudnya kalau kita type domain name www.google.com, dia akan convert kepada IP address dan kemudian baru dia akan serve through . Okay, so the DNS system, the domain name system is the method that the internet uses to store domain names and their corresponding IP address. Okay, look here. Yang ni . Kalau tengok google.com. Kita guna biasa domain name kan, www.google.com. Sebenarnya bila kita type ni, dia akan convert kepada IP address. IP address apa dia? 74.125.125.22.139. This one referred to google.com. Kenapa kita tak guna yang ni? Sebenarnya kalau kita surf guna IP address lebih laju. Tapi kenapa kita tak guna IP address? Tak semua orang boleh hafal . Itu masalah dia. Sebab tu kita guna domain name. Kita type je kan. Zuhelmi.com, senang. Kalau nak type IP address dah susah nak hafal, 74.125.222.139 yang di google.com. Adalah orang boleh hafal tapi jarang . Another one is IPv6 version 6. Yang ni yang baru lah, 2001:4860:4860:8844. Yang tu refer to google.com. So there are two type. Dan bila kita guna domain name, belakang ni ada .com kan. .com refer to commercial. Kalau .biz is business. .edu educational institution. Macam UiTM dia guna .edu. Kalau di .gov yang tu government lah. MOE.gov kan. MIL military, museum lah. .name individuals. .net network providers. .org non-profit organisation. .pro licensed professional. .technology technology information. .travel entities whose primary area of activity is in the travel industry. Okay, so itu antara ni lah. And .com ni dipanggil top level domain. Kalau dipecahkan lagi dia adalah banyak lagi . Yang tu saya akan terangkan kemudian . So we go through this one first. Okay. The World Wide Web, or also known as WWW, or sometimes referred as web, consists of a worldwide collection of electronic documents. Okay, we have web page, websites. Web page is an electronic document on the web which can contain text, graphic, animation, audio, and video. Okay, it can be either static web page or it can be a dynamic web page. Okay, static web page is the web page displays the same content each time. Yang ni yang biasa lah, yang common. Kita buka yang sama je. Another one is a dynamic web page which is the content of the web page regenerates each time a user display. Dia akan berubah-ubah. Okay, untuk attract consumer lah ataupun web server . Dia tak static. Ada orang tak suka kan benda yang sama je, buka macam tu, so dia ubah. Okay, so each time you open the website dia berubah for the first web ataupun for a certain web pages. Okay, website is collection of related web pages. Dalam satu website ada banyak web page lah, and associated items such as document and photos stored on a web server. A web server is a computer that delivers requested web pages to your computer or mobile device. Macam UiTM, www.uitm.edu.my. Dalam tu ada apa? Ada fakulti perakaunan, ada fakulti, ada banyak page lah. HCA, HCP and so on. Disimpan di mana? Disimpan di web server UiTM lah. Okay. HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language, one of the core technologies for developing web pages. It is a set of symbols that developers use to specify the headings, paragraph, images, link, and other content elements that a web page contains. Okay, yang ni browser ya. Browser. What is browser? Yang ni lah. Okay. Browser is an application that enables user with an internet connection to access the view web pages on a computer or mobile device. Contoh browser, Google, okay, Google Chrome, Google Chrome ataupun Mozilla Firefox ataupun Netscape. Yang tu browser lah. Kita nak surf internet, kita guna browser. And we have for mobile devices, we have mobile browser, a special type of browser designed for smaller screen and limited computing power for internet capable mobile devices such as smartphone. Okay, and the first page of the website is called home page. The first page of the website is called home page. Bila buka www.uitm.edu.my, keluar satu page. Yang tu dipanggil home page. Okay. And then I would like you to read on the on the how to save browsing technique. That one you read on your own. Baik, saya tak cover dalam ni. Okay. Yang ni yang saya katakan tadi . Bila kita surf internet, kita type dah http://www yang ni .nps.gov/history/places.htm. Dia ada banyak lah ni. Panjang kan? Okay, the first part is called protocol. HTTP stand for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Kemudian kita ada www. www is World Wide Web lah, hostname. Kemudian kita ada nps.gov. Gov ni of course refer to government lah. This is called domain name. Kemudian ada slash kan. Slash tu ialah path. Kemudian ada slash lagi. Yang slash tu ialah web page. Okay. Okay, a web page has a unique address called a web address or URL. URL stand for Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, Uniform Resource Locator, URL. A web address consists of a protocol, domain name, and sometimes the host name, path to a specific web page, or file name of the web page. Okay, a web address consists of a protocol. Okay, HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, a set of rules that define how web pages transfer on the internet. And then we have web app, an application stored on a web server that you can access through a browser. Web app hosts usually provide storage for users, data and information on their servers known as cloud storage. Okay. A mobile app is an application you download from a mobile device, app store or other location on the internet to a smartphone or other mobile device. Okay, macam bawa install WhatsApp, Telegram, semua tu lah. Yang tu mobile app lah, termasuk game dan sebagainya ya. Okay. So types of website, I will explain this one by one insyaAllah. Saya cubalah, ada 22 ya. Type of website, search engine, online, social network, informational and research. Okay, I will go through one by one. We go through the first one, search engines. What is search engine? A web search engine is a software that finds websites, web pages, images, videos, news, maps and other information related to a specific topic. For example, Google, Bing, Yahoo. Yang tu search engine ya. Macam mana? Macam ni lah. Dekat Google ni kita akan letak keyword macam ni kan. Internet history. This one is the search text. Bila kita tekan enter, dia akan dapat hits. Yang ni apa? 7,410,000 million hits ataupun results. Banyaklah. That's why when you want to search certain items, be specific. Kalau macam ni internet history yang ada 7,410,000,000 items ataupun result ataupun hits. Habis tu mana nak cari? Nak buka sesuatu ni mau makan bertahun So please use specified lah. Nak specify macam mana? Yang ni lah. You can use this term. Okay. Guna space or plus ataupun or ataupun bracket ataupun dash. This is specific for to get a better search result. Okay. Dipanggil search engine operators. Okay. Search engine operators. You can read this on your own. Or another one, we use subject directory, which classifies web pages in an organized set of categories such as sport or shopping and related subcategories. Okay, online social network, yang ni awak dah selalu pakai lah. Tak cerita pun tak apa kot. Okay. Use online users of online social network, either you want it for personal users, business users or non-profit organizations use. Personal users of online networks include sharing photos and videos, greetings, status updates, okay, macam Instagram, macam Facebook and so on. The status update inform friends about what you are doing. You can like using hashtags and so on. For business use, online social network to connect with their customers, provide promotional offers and other targeted advertising. For non-profit organisation, online social network to promote activities and causes, accept donations and allow volunteers. Nak donate dan sebagainya. Okay, online social network or social networking site is a website that encourage members in its online community to share their interests, ideas, stories, photos, music and videos with other registered users. Okay, tips to help protect against privacy and security risks with online social network. Register with caution. Provide only necessary information. Jangan bagi semua maklumat, especially your IC, ID dan your phone number. Nanti end up macam mana orang akan call awak bertalu-talu sebab awak dah bagi awak punya personal data. You expose your personal data to others. So be careful with that. Manage your profile. Check for privacy setting. Jangan open to all. Phone number semua orang boleh tengok dan nanti akan dapat phone number. Gambar dah tentulah kan. Kemudian apa lagi, IC number especially. Jangan bagi orang. Your passport number and so on. Choose friends carefully. Jangan ambil semua orang jadi kawan. Tak semua orang dalam internet ni, online ni baik. Limit friends. Divulge only relevant information. Jangan bagi semua maklumat. Be leery of urgent request for help. Jangan mendesak orang. Read the privacy policy. Setengah web page dia ada dia punya privacy policy. Okay, we go through some of other types of website. Informational and research. Website contain factual information. Example include libraries, encyclopedia, dictionaries, directories, guides and other types of reference. Media sharing, a website that enables members to manage and share media such as photo, videos and music. For example, YouTube. Okay, macam saya buat ni, saya akan upload ke YouTube dan I will share with you later on. Bookmarking, a website that enables members to organize, tag and share links to media and other online content. A tag is a short descriptive label that you assign to web pages and digital content so that it is easier to locate at a later time. Okay, other than that, we have news, weather, sports and other mass media. The website that contain newsworthy materials including stories and articles relating to current event, life, money, politics, weather and sports. Macam tadi awak tengok kan ada pop-up pasal Muhyiddin Yassin dan so on. Yang tu weather, yang tu pasal other mass media lah tu. Anak saya install dalam ni dan kemudian ni saya guna tablet anak saya ni. Senang sikit nak online nak rakam. Okay. Educational. Education is an educational website offers exciting and challenging avenues for formal and informal teaching and learning. Nowadays, these types of website become more and more important. Kita dah guna ODL dan sebagainya. So banyak refer kepada educational website. Government pun dah bangunkan banyak lah, especially for primary and secondary school. Business, governmental and organizational business website contains content that increase brand awareness, provides company background and other information, or promote sales or product services. Biasanya dekat business website including the apa dia panggil tu, annual report. Okay, you can get the performance of the business. Okay. Most government agencies have websites providing citizens with information such as census data or assistance such as filing taxes. Okay, yang ni ada ya. Untuk government agencies. Many other types of organizations many other types of organizations use the web for a variety of reasons. There are many other reasons lah. Okay, blog. Masa sebelum ada Facebook, sebelum ada Instagram, dulu saya guna blog to communicate with others. Okay, dia blog ni macam diary lah. It is an informal website consisting of timestamp article or post in a diary or journal format, usually listed in the reverse chronological order. Yang paling baru paling atas lah, yang lama-lama akan berada di bahagian paling bawah. Blogosphere, the worldwide collection of blogs, ataupun sekarang ni orang dah guna vlog, video blog or vlog, a blog that contains video. Ataupun orang guna sekarang ni dah macam malas kan, macam TikTok semua tu kan, dia lebih kepada konsep microblog, allows user to publish short messages, usually less than 10,000 characters, for others to read. Okay, dia short apa namanya, karangan pendek lah ya. Okay, the blog author is called blogger. Dulu saya pernah jadi blogger. Sekarang ni dah malas ya. Fokus saya dah ke lain ya. Okay, other type of website we have wikis and collaboration. A wiki is a type of collaborative website that allows users to create, add, modify, or delete the website content via a browser. Okay, health and fitness. Many websites provide up-to-date medical fitness, nutrition, or exercise information for public access. Some offer users the capability of listening to health-related seminars and discussion. For science, several websites contain information about space exploration, astronomy, physics, earth sciences, microgravity, robotics, and other branches of science. And then we have entertainment, ni antara yang popular lah. Entertainment website offers music, video shows, performances, events, sports, games, and more in an interactive and engaging environment. Many entertainment websites support streaming media. Okay. Streaming is the process of transferring data in a continuous and even flow which allow user to access and use a file while it is transmitting. Macam YouTube dia guna streaming. Maksudnya kita sambil download kita tengok. Okay. Sebab tu kalau internet awak sangkut, YouTube akan sangkut lah. Sebab dia streaming. Dia sambil dengar, sambil download. Okay. Okay, other type, we have banking and finance, travel and tourism, mapping, retailing and auctions. Banking and finance enable users to access their financial records from their computer or mobile device from anywhere in the world as long as they have an internet connection. What you can do, you can access your account, pay bills, transfer fund, calculate mortgage payment, manage other financial activities. Dan yang ni kita dah biasa guna kan. Macam kalau Maybank ada Maybank to you, maybank2you.com, we have Bank Islam, Bank Rakyat, semua dah ada. Even BSN pun dah ada internet banking. Okay, travel and tourism enable users to research travel option and make travel arrangements. What it offers, read travel reviews, search for and compare flights and prices, order airline tickets, book a room, reserve a rental car. So kita boleh search dulu sebelum pergi satu-satu tempat. We can know the nearest place, awak suka dekat mana, hotel dan sebagainya. Hotel yang murah ke, yang mahal ke, what type of accommodation that fits your needs and so on. Mapping enable you to display up-to-date maps by searching for an address, postal code, phone number or point of interest. Provide direction when user enters a starting and destination point. Okay, macam Google Maps. Okay. Even dalam internet pun bila kita klik, dia terus sambung kepada Google Maps kan, ataupun Waze, you can use it straight away. The maps can be displayed in a variety of views, including terrain, aerial, map, streets, buildings, traffic, and weather. Depends on your we shoot to your needs. Okay. Retail and auction, e-retail, electronic retail, to purchase product or service online. How? Visit electronic storefront, put item into the shopping cart, make payment. Okay, macam Lazada, Shopee, itu antaranya lah. Itu e-retail lah. Online auction, bid on an item being sold by someone else. For example, eBay. Kalau di Malaysia ni e-lelong ya. Dulu popular lah, sekarang saya tak tahu ada lagi ke tidak. Dah lama tak buka ya. Okay, other types, we have careers and employments. We have e-commerce, we have portals, okay. Careers and employment, search the web for career information and job openings. Zaman awak ni sangat mudah lah nak cari kerja. Rajin tak rajin nak buka internet je kan. Zaman saya dulu kena buka surat khabar hari-hari kena cek surat khabar, kemudian hantar surat, post surat dia. Pergi pejabat pos dan tunggu sampai orang call ataupun orang hantar balik surat kata interview bila. Jadi zaman saya dulu nak cari kerja agak lambat. Dan zaman awak ni buka internet, klik interview pun online kan. So easier. Okay. E-commerce. E-commerce stand for electronic commerce, a business transaction that occurs over an electronic network such as the internet. Untuk mobile kita panggil m-commerce, stand for mobile commerce. To identify e-commerce that takes place using mobile devices. Banyak sekarang ni m-commerce kan, awak guna Lazada, Shopee semua bayar guna, even internet banking semua guna handphone kan. Berbanding dengan e-commerce ni dia dah hampir sama kot, setara Okay, there are 3 types of e-commerce. Sebenarnya ada banyak lagi. Kalau awak belajar e-commerce, subjek e-commerce, kalau awak ambil AC120 ada banyak lagi. Tapi untuk AC110 ni you are limited to awak hanya perlu tahu 3 nilai, B2C, C2C and B2B. B2C stand for business to consumer, C2C consumer to consumer, B2B business to business. Business to consumer, a sale of goods and service to the general public, such as at shopping website. Contohnya awak nak beli kasut Bata, awak pergi dekat website Bata, buka, klik, beli dan Bata hantar kasut dekat awak. Yang tu business to consumer. Consumer to consumer occurs when one consumer sells directly to another. Yang ni saya jual barang pada awak, saya guna platform contohnya cari.com ataupun apa satu lagi tu yang popular tu, saya pun dah lupa dah. Okey, tak apa. So ada platform dia lah. Even Lazada pun boleh ya. Tapi Lazada tu lebih kepada dia lebih kepada e-mall, tapi tak jatuh dalam kategori ni ya. Okay. Another one is business to business, occurs when business provide goods and services to other businesses. Okay, macam Tesco jual barang kepada Nestle, Nestle jual barang kepada Tesco, for example. Yang tu business to business. Macam kalau kata Lazada dengan Shopee tu dia jatuh antara B2C and C2C. Tapi sebenarnya dua tu dia jatuh di bawah kategori e-mall. Okay. Tapi tak apalah, as long as you understand that one. Okay. Portals offer a variety of internet services or from a single convenient location. Most portals offer these free services: search engine, news, sport and weather, web publishing, store, yellow pages, stock codes, maps, shopping, email and other communication service. Contoh portal apa? Google lah. Google, Yahoo. Dekat Google atau Yahoo semua ni ada kan. Search engine ada, news, sport ada, web publishing ada, stock codes ada, maps ada, semua ada. Okay, so the example of portal. Okay, move on to the part types of website. Kita masih lagi dalam type of website. Content aggregation, sometimes called a curation website, allows users to collect and compile content from a variety of websites about a particular topic or theme. Untuk salah satu topik, tapi dia collect daripada banyak source. Okay. Apa tujuannya? To save users time, because they need to visit only one website instead of visiting multiple websites to obtain information. Kita pergi dekat satu website dapat semua maklumat. Tak perlu nak pergi satu website dia. Dia tolong kumpulkan for certain topic lah. Sebab tu dipanggil content aggregation. Okay, website creation and management. How? Provide tools that support the steps in web publishing, which is the creation and maintenance of website. Many website developers use an approach called responsive web design or RWD that adapts the layout of the website to fit the screen on which it is being displayed. Okay, 5 steps of web publishing. Plan, design, create, host and maintain. Okay, plan, design, create, host ni tak susah sangat. Senangnya kita plan, kita design website, kita create, kemudian kita carilah tempat yang sesuai, hostkan ya. Masalah dia maintain. Banyak website tak maintain ya. Not properly maintain. Sebab tu kadang-kadang setengah website tu dia dah out of date ya. Okay, what are media on the website? It can include graphic, animation, audio, video and virtual reality. What is graphic? Graphic is a visual representation of non-text information such as a drawing, chart or photo. Yang ni lah. Dia ada banyak jenis ya. Dia ada beberapa dipanggil format ya. Kita ada BMP ataupun bitmap. Biasanya untuk desktop background scan images. Okay, bitmap ni besar ya, file dia besar. Biasanya untuk gambar kita guna JPEG. Okay, before that GIF. GIF stand for Graphic Interchange Format. Images with few colors, simple diagrams and shapes. Normally GIF ni kita guna untuk animation. Simple animation kan, dia guna GIF. Gambar bergerak sikit-sikit. Tapi dia low quality ya. The higher quality is called JPEG. Joint Photographic Expert Group. Digital camera, photos, game, screenshot, movie, still shot. Kebanyakan format kita guna JPEG ataupun JPG ya. Biasanya kita pronounce dia JPEG. Another one is PNG. PNG Portable Network Graphic, comic style drawing, line art, web graphic, lebih kepada lukisan ya. Simple one. TIFF, another one is tag image file format. Photo used in printing industry. So different type of format for different purposes. Normally untuk kita yang biasa ni kita guna JPEG ya. Okay, infographic. Infographic ni apa? It stand for information graphic. A visual representation of data or information designed to communicate quickly, simply, simplify complex concept and or present patterns or trend. Contoh macam ni lah, kintaran akademik pelajar. Kalau ikutkan dia punya karangannya ada 3-4 muka surat dia. So ringkaskan kita guna infographic. So kita buat dalam bentuk carta aliran yang mudah Okay, start daripada mana? Daftar kursus mengikut kumpulan, bayar yuran pengajian, kuliah bermula, sampai habis dan tamat pengajian. So this is simple. Awak tengok sekali dah tahu apa proses dia. Kalau tak, awak kena baca banyak kan. So this one is called infographic. Another one is called animation. The appearance of motion created by displaying a series of still images in sequence. Animation ni animasi lah, gambar yang bergerak. Sebenarnya animation ni ataupun animasi ni is a combination of series of still images. Dia bergerak sikit-sikit Kalau awak pernah dulu buat kartun guna buku tu kan, yang kapal tenggelam lah apa tu kan, ataupun orang lidi bergerak kan, awak buat sikit-sikit, lepas tu awak guna buku tebal kan. Yang tu animation lah tu. Okay. Audio. Audio includes music, speech or any other sound. Normally it is compressed to reduce file size. You listen to audio on your computer using a media player. Okay, video. Macam saya sekarang buat video lah. Video consists of images displayed in motion. Another type is virtual reality. Virtual reality is use of computers to stimulate a real or imagined environment that appears as a three-dimensional 3D space. Contohnya yang macam saya kata flight simulators kan. Pilot guna flight simulators untuk belajar bawa kereta terbang. Kenapa dia tak bawa kereta terbang betul? Kalau bawa kereta terbang betul takut terhempas. So dia orang belajar guna virtual reality. Dalam cockpit tu nampak macam real, tapi sebenarnya simulation. It simulate real situation. Okay. As for computers nowadays, most of the computer is using plug-in or add-on. Okay. Macam certain software, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, kita ada plug-in or add-on. Kenapa? It's a program that extends the capability of a browser. Ada plug-in or add-on ni dia jadi lebih baik lah. Ada benda yang dia boleh buat macam saya nak marking contoh saya nak marking, saya boleh marking guna tablet yang saya guna sekarang ni. Kalau PDF format senang. Tapi kalau Microsoft Word, saya kena guna plug-in or add-on, nama dia Kami, KAMI. Saya kena install, kemudian baru saya boleh marking. Maksudnya dengan plug-in tadi baru saya boleh buat marking guna stylus saya lah. Saya guna digital pen. Okay, and the last part, Etiquette. Etiquette is internet etiquette, a code of acceptance behavior which users should follow while on the internet. Kadang-kadang orang tak faham ya. Okay, it is the conduct expected of individuals while online. Includes rules for all aspects on the internet, including the web, social media, internet messaging, chat rooms, online discussion and FTP. Macam contoh saya bagi masa awal-awal SEM itu kan. Gunakan profile picture yang sesuai. Janganlah guna gambar kucing, gambar anjing, gambar tak apa-apa ya, gambar Bruce Lee. So guna muka sendiri. Sebab kita nak guna ODL ni, kita nak lebih formal. Kalau tengok saya punya profile saya pun saya guna yang formal ya. Dulu saya guna gambar lain. Tapi sebab saya pensyarah dan saya nak gunakan nombor tersebut untuk ODL, untuk awak communicate, so saya nak awak kenal saya. So saya guna gambar yang formal. Okey, macam tu juga awak ya. Jangan guna email address yang tak apa-apa, sweetie.com dan so on. Use your own name and which represent yourself. Okay. Etiquette guideline for online communication. Golden rule: treat others as you would like them to treat you. Macam mana awak nak orang layan awak, awak kena layan orang macam tu. Okay. Be polite, avoid offensive language. Jangan guna bahasa yang kasar. Sebab bila penulisan ni, ada masanya kita cuba buat lawak, tapi sebenarnya bila orang baca, dia baca lain. Okay. So be careful with that. Avoid posting flames which abusive or insulting messages. Sekarang ni banyaklah benda ni, duk mengata dan sebagainya. Do not participate in flame wars, which are exchange of flames. Duk mengata-mengata orang. Be careful when using sarcasm and humor. It might be misinterpreted. Kadang-kadang kalau kita nak buat lawak dengan kawan, boleh. Tapi kalau bila public kita buat benda yang sama, dia boleh jadi lain. So be careful with that. Do not use all capital letters. Dia ramai yang guna ya. Bila awak guna message, type in all capital letters. Semua huruf besar. Semua huruf besar dalam bila kita buat secara online, maksudnya kita menjerit, shouting. Okay. Which is the equivalent of shouting. And use emoticon to express your emotion. Jangan salah ya. Selalu orang salah. Gambar sedih tapi gambar orang ketawa sampai menangis tu kan. So be careful with that. Smile, indifferent, surprise, frown, undecided, wink and so on. Use abbreviation and acronym for phrases. Tapi yang ni pun bahaya juga. Okay, bukan bahaya, hati-hati. Make sure orang yang awak hantar abbreviation ni faham. BTW, by the way, FYI for your information. Saya pernah hantar message kat student, please submit your assignment ASAP. Okay, maksudnya ASAP stand for what? As soon as possible. Tapi student tu tak hantar. Kemudian saya tanya, kenapa tak hantar? Saya tunggu assignment ASAP daripada sir. Nak tunggu assignment ASAP katanya. Saya kata ASAP tu as soon as possible. Maksudnya tak sampai lah kan. Nak marah pun tak boleh kan. Dia tak faham ni. So make sure understand. And then as for you, you should understand as well. Okay. Because this one is common. Common abbreviation, you should understand. Most of it. At least. Okay. Clearly identify spoiler, which is a message that reveals the outcome to a game or ending to a movie or program. Setengah orang marah betul benda ni ya. Pada saya tak kisah je. Saya okey je. Kadang-kadang lagi senang, tak payah tengok apa ni. Tengok cerita sikit je, terus tanya anak saya, ni ending dia macam mana ni? Senang cerita ya. Tapi most of people don't like that. So janganlah Jangan beritahu cerita tu habis macam mana ataupun game tu habis macam mana ya. Be forgiving of other mistake. Jangan asyik nak cari salah orang ya. Salah sikit-sikit, typo, error tu biasa. Kalau nak buat lawak okey, tapi jangan selalu sangat. Okay. And the last one, read the FAQ or frequently asked question if exists. Okay. In order to have a guideline on how to you need to act in certain website or forum and so on. Okay, so with that we end the class. Mari starting on Shiran Tasbih Kifarah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, see you next class.